What's going on, everybody? I hope you're doing well and welcome back again. So sometimes when we run the project, so for example, what's my point? Let's run the project in my real device. As you see, my device now in the dark mode, so there is a lot of problem. I design and develop the project on the light mode. So how to fix this? By changing the appearance to the light. So how to doing this? Let's first nav to the info plist, and from here add, as you see from the information, press add and add, as you see, the appearance and choosing light or typing light, then stop and run the project again and check if it is work. Yes, and that's it. Even if my device in the dark mode, as you see my device now in the dark mode, it is no problem. It's always will keep now in the light mode. You can set to dark. So for example, if you type dark, the app will be convert to dark. So in our project we want only to be in the light mode. So that's it. Thank you guys, and I see you in the next lessons.